Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel, and today we're making a custom Marty McFly and Biff from Back to the Future. First we're going to start with Marty because he's pretty simple to make. You just need the hair from Han Solo minifigures nowadays. Then you're going to need the torso and face from the old Marty McFly, not the one from the new DeLorean, and then the legs from Nia from the Lego Ninjago movie. I like how those give like shoe prints on him. Now we have Old Man Biff from Back to the Future 2, and he was the main villain, so I decided to make him now that I've seen Back to the Future 2. And this custom is loosely inspired by many superheroes today with the head and hair. So the head and hair, speaking of, the hair is from Lor San Tekka from Star Wars. The face is from old Han Solo from also Star Wars. Then the torso is from Ron Weasley from Harry Potter, and the legs are also from the Ninjago movie. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So now make like a tree and get out of here!